That's right. Sakal Bhatt is actually joining us over the phone line now. Sakal, the timing, as you mentioned, sources close to Ahmed Patel telling you, is going to be a new weapon for the opposition to whip the government with. But at the end of it all, they are also extremely nervous about that one Rajya Sabha seat for Ahmed Patel. The political drama heating up, isn't it?
See, on one hand, they're basically trying to delink and disconnect as far as Shiv Kumar's financial misappropriation on all those cases, even in the past, that were clamped on him, and the cash that might be procured from the properties that are being raided as we speak. So, what Congress, besides calling it a political vendetta or political witch hunt, quote unquote, if at all there are some incriminating documents and recoveries found from his residences, Congress is going to back out and say that this has nothing to do with the MLAs that are stay put in Shiv Kumar's brother's resort. Having said that, the other line that they have been taking, and that comes on a pretty much expected lines, is that attacking government again and again, saying that all this is being done by the government by using agencies to see to it that the MLA's confidence who are put up in the resort is disrupted.
All right.
And yes.
Sakal, stay with us. Let me also just quickly cut across to Parikshit, who's also joining us. Parikshit, the Congress has already raised this in Rajya Sabha. Are they going to keep continuing to raise the pitch in Parliament on this?
Absolutely. In fact, top sources, top leaders from Gujarat, both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, have been telling us that they will be protesting in Gujarat, in Ahmedabad, number one, which is, and at the same time, all the constituencies where the MLAs are from, all the MLAs who have quit the party to join the BJP, all through the next few days, till the Rajya Sabha election, there will be protests there. Having said that, we saw strong protests in Parliament for the last 3 to 4 days, and the Congress is going to continue raising this. They've got another talking point now, the IT raids that have happened on Shiv Kumar, DK Shiv Kumar, the state minister, the Karnataka state minister, a lot of questions being raised. Now, the Congress, top sources telling us that they had actually paid the entire amount for the resort for all the 44 MLAs, and this IT rate is absolutely unfounded. All the money has been paid for by the Gujarat Pradesh Congress Committee in check. So they're trying to defend themselves, saying there cannot be any raids on the Congress MLAs. No money has changed hands, and it is the BJP which should be questioned because they are using muscle power and financial power to poach MLAs. So this is what the Congress is doing. But these are difficult times for the Congress because DK Shiv Kumar, as you have been pointing out, Shivani, has been raided earlier as well. And if in those income tax investigations something comes out that he was carrying a large amount of money for these MLAs, or some sort of money has changed hands between these MLAs and DK Shiv Kumar, then that would be a big revelation and big embarrassment for the Congress. As of now, the IT department is also clarifying that this is only on DK Shiv Kumar. Back to you, Shivani.
Thanks a lot for joining us. As Arun Jaitley said in Parliament, that whether it is right or wrong, the raids can only be determined depending on what is found in the raids. And news is coming in of 5 crore rupees at least being taken. And these are visuals now coming in of supporters of DK Shiv Kumar actually gathering outside his residence. This one must be the one in Bengaluru, where now police is also trying to bring situation under calm. The supporters of DK Shiv Kumar have started to gather outside his residence in protest of these raids. These are first and exclusive on Republic TV. Political might being shown there by the supporters of DK Shiv Kumar. The police is trying to bring the situation under calm, as you can see in those visuals, to ensure that there is no ruckus created. But several protesters and supporters of DK Shiv Kumar have gathered on that location. Remember, there are 39 different locations and multiple properties of DK Shiv Kumar that are under the scanner as we speak.